annual Africa Dialogue Trade and Investment Conference is currently underway in Sun City. Earlier, Tumisho Makganyele caught up with Elizabeth Thabethe, who's the South African Deputy Minister of Trade and Industry.
The development, deals with a lot of infrastructure development as well as investment opportunities. So it is very important because we'll be advancing the agenda on the regional integration process. Because once we can have this, I think Africa will be able to realize its potential. And as you know, we've got too many minerals in Africa, but at the end of the day, most of it we just export it raw. We don't beneficiate it. So the beneficiation process will, I think, kick in, and we'll be able then to see much more better investment, and as such, we'll be able to create a conducive environment for business then to prevail. Government, we have tried our level best, and we hope this conference is a step forward then to make sure that we can realize our potential. But Africa is a continent with a bright future. As you heard from our president, he mentioned this and made sure that we can be able to grasp the opportunities and make sure that we can work together for united Africa, but also to consolidate and make sure that we can create better atmosphere for trading between ourselves and promote the intra-trade so that we can be able to see much more progress. And we deal with the other development challenges as well as creating jobs. And for us in South Africa, as you know, he gave us a mandate last year to create 5 million jobs by 2020. But surely within the African continent, we believe that is attainable. Other countries can do such because we'll be able to promote South-South cooperation.
Now, you've mentioned some of the challenges that you're coming across with regards to meeting some of these targets. Can you just briefly highlight just what are the challenges that you're facing?
Infrastructure challenges, such as issues such as the ICT sector. You know, the ICT sector is one that is moving very fast, especially the technological side of it. Technology moves fast, and then for you to adapt and be able then to realize your potential and growth, you need to update it. But also, if you look from the climate change, the question of the resolutions taken and the adaptation and mitigation. For developing countries, that poses a challenge because you do have other priorities that you must deal with, but you must deal also with the adaptation and the mitigation. Hence, we are hopeful that the next round will see much more better this year, negotiations taking this forward, but also, as I mentioned, energy is one of the challenges that we believe that we have to deal with, because energy is an enabler to economic development. If you don't invest in energy, the roads, same thing. If you don't have the infrastructure that allows you to transport goods and services that we have, you'll be then stuck. But those, to me, are quite good things because we are going to work on that and make sure that we can improve on the infrastructure. Then we'll be able to move forward and realize the regional integration faster and better.